Hello guys, today I will talk about a cascading refrigeration system. A cascading refrigeration system is a complex refrigeration system that uses two or more separate refrigeration circuits operating at different temperature and with different refrigerants. This type of system is commonly used in applications where extremely low temperature are required on an process involving substance sensitive to temperature. The idea behind a cascade refrigeration system is to leverage the advantage of the different refrigerants and evaporation temperature to meet specific cooling requirements. The cascade refrigeration circuits are typically connected in a way that evaporator of the colder circuit cools the condenser of the hotter circuit. This allows heat to be efficiently transferred from one circuit to another, providing very low cooling temperature even in extremely challenging conditions. These systems are often used in industrial applications such as chemical, pharmaceutical, food industries, and in research laboratories where a very wide temperature range or extremely low temperature are needed to a specific process. They are also common in refrigeration systems for ultra-freezing application. Thanks for watching, subscribe in my channel and follow for more. Goodbye.